Hello friends, welcome to our data analytics tips YouTube channel. So today we will see about how we can get Excel data into the Power BI desktop. So in the top you can see this option get data. Just click on that and there is first option is Excel workbook. Just click on there and whatever you have downloaded files you can save that any folder. Just I have saved in my D drive path, and in the folder of Power BI you can see this file superstore data. Just click on that and open. You will get one pop-up window like this. You can see the in the superstore Excel file there are three tables, like we can see them in Excel as a sheets: order sheet, return sheet and user sheet. If you can click on order sheet, there are multiple columns are available. You can see the preview of that table in this canvas. Just click on that if you want to upload that data into the Power BI desktop. I have taken this superstore data and I want to take into these three tables in my desktop, so I just check this box and load this data into the Power BI desktop. So data, it's get loading. So finally data it's loaded, and we can see the orders table, returns table and users table in the data view. Or if we can see that data in tabular format, then we can click on data view to see that tables. Thank you.